Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Pass question in BECE Mathematics. Section A Objectives. Year 2003. Questions 1 to 20. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Imposi. I am going to be your facilitator. April 2003. Mathematics. Session A. Objective test. Duration 1 hour. Question 1. Set P equals 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Which of the following statement best describes set P? A. The set of multiples of less than 18. The answer could be A. Now let us cross-check the other answers. B. The set of multiples of 3. The set of multiples of 3 is an infinite set. That is, the number of elements in this set cannot be counted. So B is wrong. C. The set of odd numbers. 12 is not an odd number. So C is wrong. D. The set of odd numbers less than 16. 12 is not an odd number. So D is wrong. So obviously the right answer is A. Question 2. If the set Q equals 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 10, and the set R equals 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, and 11, find Q intersection R. The elements 7 and 10 belong to both Q and then R. So Q intersection R equals to 7 and then 10. So the answer is B. Question 3. Find the set of missing numbers on the number line. Take note that the difference between 20 and 25 is 5, and the difference between 25 and 30 is 5. So the difference between two adjacent numbers on the number line is 5. So the next number after 10 is going to be equal to 10 plus 5, which is 15. 4 minus 5. The number before minus 5 is going to be minus 5 minus 5, which is minus 10. 4 minus 20. The number before minus 20 is going to be minus 20 minus 5, which is minus 25. So the numbers are minus 25, minus 10, and then 15, which is D. Question 4. If 7.2 and 7.9 are 2 points on a number line, find the number in the middle of these points. We shall find the midpoint of 7.2 and then 7.9 by dividing by 2. And this equals to 7.2 plus 7.9. 15.1 divided by 2. 2 into 15.1. 7. 7 times 2, 14. The difference is 1. 1.5 times 2, 10. 1. 0. So 5. 10. So the answer is 7.55, that is C. Question 5. Find the least common factor LCM of 12 and 20. We shall first find the product of the prime factors of 12 and then for 20. For 12 is 2 times 2 times 3, which equals to 2 squared times 3. For 20 is 2 times 2 times 5, which equals to 2 squared times 5. Now the LCM. For the prime factor 2, the highest power among the two numbers is 2 squared. Then for the prime factor 3, the highest power among the two numbers is 3 raised to the power 1. For the prime factor 5, the highest power among the two numbers is 5 raised to the power 1. So 4 times 15, which equals to 60. So the answer is C. Question 6. Express 72 as a product of prime factors. That is 72. 2 goes here, 36. 2 goes here, 18. 2 goes here, 9. 3 goes here, 3. And 3 goes here, 1. So 72 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which equals to 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2. So the answer is D. Question 7. If 3t minus 2 times into brackets t plus 12 equals 11, find the value of t. That is 3t minus 2 times into brackets t plus 12 to be equal to 11. That's 3t over here. We shall multiply through the expressions in the bracket by minus 2. We shall get 2t minus 2t minus 24 to be equal to minus 11. 3t minus 2t is t. Then 11, this to the other side of the equation will become plus 24, which equals to 35. So t equals to 35. So the answer is D. Question 8. What is the value of the digit 8 in the number 78,000? The answer is B, 8,000. Question 9. Find the product of 17 and 121. That is the multiplication of 121 by 17. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2, 14, carry 1. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1, 8. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So the addition, 7, 5, 0, 2. So the answer is C. Question 10. Araba owes 550,000 cedis at a bank. He goes and pay 150,000 cedis. How much does Araba owe the bank? Araba owes 550,000. He goes and pay 150,000. So the amount Araba owes the bank is going to be the difference. This 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is D. Question 11. Evaluate 37 over 100 times 7 over 10. That is 37 over 100 times 7 over 10 equals to, we shall multiply 37 by 7. 7 times 7, 49, carry 4. 7 times 3, 21 plus 4, so 25. So 259 divided by 1,000, which equals to 0.259. So the answer is A. Question 12. Express 1.25 as a mixed fraction in its lowest form. That is 1.25. We shall express 0.25 as a fraction. That's 0.25. We shall multiply by 100 and divide by 100. So we shall get 25 divided by 100. 25 goes here 1, 25 goes here 4. So 0.25 1.25 equals to 1/4. So 1.25 is going to be 1/1/4. So the answer is C. Question 13. The total number of states in 6 matchboxes was 270. Find the total number of states in 20 similar boxes. For 6 matchboxes, the total was 270. Therefore, for 20, it will give you more. If more, less, divide. So 20 divided by 6 times 270. 2 goes here 10, and 2 goes here 3. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 90. So 10 times 90 is 900. So the answer is D. Question 14. A car travels at an average speed of 45 km per hour. What distance does it cover in 12 hours? The distance D equals the speed times the time. The speed is 45 km per hour. The time is 12 hours. So 45 times 12. 2 times 5 is 0, carry 1. 2 times 4, 8, 9. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. So 0, 4, 5. So the answer is D. Question 15. Calculate the sample interest on 130,000 Ghana cedis for 2.5 years at 2.5 per annum. The interest equals to the principal times time times the rate. The principal equals 130,000. Time equals 2.5, and the rate equals 12% or 12 over 100, which equals 130,000. 2.5 into improper fraction is going to be 5 over 2 times 12 over 100. Zeros will cancel out. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 6. So 1300 times 6 times 5 is 30. So 13 times 3 is 39. So 39, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is B. Question 16. Express 2/5 as a percentage. That is 2 over 5 times 100%. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 20. So 40%. So the answer is C. Question 17. Kwame gets a commission of 20% on bread sold. In 1 week, Kwame's commission was 45,000 cedis. How much bread did he sell during that week? The 20% corresponds with 45,000 cedis commissioned within 1 week. Therefore, 100%, which corresponds with the total bread sold, is going to be more. If more, less, divide. So 100 divided by 20 times 45,000. 20 goes here 5, 20 goes here 1. So 45,000 times 5. 45 times 5. 25 carry 2, 20, 22. So 225,000. So the answer is C. Question 18. Convert 83,000 in standard form. That is 83,000. In the standard form, there should be only one digit to the left of the decimal point, which is not 0. To obtain this from this figure, we shall show the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left. And this is equivalent to dividing the number by 1 with 4 zeros. So 83,000 divided by 1 with 4 zeros. Since we have divided by 1 with 4 zeros, we should multiply by 1 with 4 zeros. This one here equals 8.3 times 1 with 4 zeros is 10 to the power 4, which equals to D. In short, to convert 83,000 into standard form, we shall shift the decimal point 4 places to the left to get 8.3, and therefore multiply by 10 to the power 4. Question 19. The following mass are mass obtained by pupils in a test: 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3. What is the mode? The mode is the mark with the highest frequency, and the highest frequency is 3. It occurs 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so the mode is 3. Question 20. The following mass are mass obtained by pupils in a test: 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3. Calculate the mean. The 2's are 1, 2, 3, so 2 times 3. The 3's are 1, 2, 3, 4, so 3's are 3 times 4. The 5's are 1, 2, so 5's are 2 times 5, and the 4 is only 1, so 4. This is 6, this is 12, this is 10, and this is 4. The total is 18 plus 14, that's 32. There are 10 numbers, so the average is going to be equal to 32 divided by 10, which is equal to 3.2. So the answer is B.